How to find property for lease. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to find properties for lease on Loopnet. Loopnet is a platform that you can sign up on for completely free. All you'll need to do is go onto loopnet.com. Then you're going to tap on for lease, and you can select whether you'd like to find an office property, retail, industrial, or so on. You can select whichever one of these options. Then you're going to tap on the search bar that says enter location, and from there you could type in your location. Then you're just going to tap on search. After tapping on search, from here you will see different properties that you can find. So for instance, I typed in New York. All you need to do is simply select whichever one of these options, and you could also further fine-tune your search by simply tapping on size, and you could enter in the minimum or maximum square feet. You can also tap on filters and you could enter in a specific filter. Once you have found a listing that you like, you can simply tap on the listing, and from there you will be able to get a better view. You can also see the different details about the listing, as you can see right there. So for example, the lease term for this one would be 3 years, and you can see the fee and so on. And you can also see the contact information for the person that is responsible for the listing. And that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.